Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine.
I'm Nali.
And so for today's vlog, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction for the press presentation performance ng isa sa mga delegates for the Miss World Philippines 2024. This time is Miss Manila, that's Gabriel Lancer. And without any further ado, let's watch this.
Good day, my name is Gabriel Marie Banol Lancer, representing the capital of the Philippines, Manila.
May nakikita kong Bea Alonso sa kanya.
Hindi, yung boses niya parang may ano. Nakikita ko kasi John Lloyd. I mean, I like this girl kasi napanood ko rin yung kanyang naging performance sa Miss Manila. And that time, last year, parang I was expecting na akala ko talaga sasali siya sa MUPH, makikipagbardagulan siya. But it's a good decision na dito siya sumali kasi yung ganda niya parang pa-sweet-sweet lang, ganyan. So, I think she's young and yeah, sakto sa hinahanap ni Madam
Manila, we have Gabriel Marie Lancer.
Wow. Mukha siyang celebrity.
Ang ganda nung pagkagawa ng gown. Like,
from Miss Manila to Miss World. So, what are you bringing to the world in terms of beauty and personality?
I would say, because I'm 19 years old, I have quite a young personality by heart because of my age. Not just that, but in terms of what I'm bringing to the stage, I myself have a quite large cultural background. I was raised in the Caribbean. Born in the Caribbean, partially raised, but then I was raised in the islands of Hawaii. Then I decided to move to the Philippines by myself at the age of 14. So with that, I got to adopt so many cultures throughout my lifespan. So what I'm going to provide for the world stage is not just one culture going behind me, but all the cultures I adopted. Not just that, but I would also love to represent not just the Filipinos here in the Philippines, but hopefully all the Filipinos abroad as well.
Wow.
how I wish na parang na-broaden up pa niya yung, kahit na konting konting snippets, like, paano mo ma-represent yung yung Philippines to the rest of, basta yun. Anyhow, ang ganda niya, and bata siya from the past, like, yung Miss World, mahilig siya sa fresh na winners, yung mga bata-batang ganyan. And sana maganda yung kanyang beauty with a purpose, yung kanyang advocacy, and may potential din talaga to siya. And ang galing niyang magsalita. Basta ang galing niya sa Q&A before sa Miss Manila. Ang ganda rin yung kanyang styling, very girly-girly lang. Ang ganda nung gown, like, isang kulay lang siya, wala siyang ibang embellishment or whatsoever na mga ganyan-ganyan. Pero yung the way siya kinonstruct, like, the way siya din-design, ang ganda nung pagkaano niya, parang fold siya. Like, yeah, I love that. Kung yung pahiram ng gown.
Ang ganda ng aura niya sa camera. Like, as a tao siguro na napaka-bubbly and full of personality. Lalo na sa pagsagot niya, it's very conversational yet merong, kumbaga, may relevance yung sagot niya. Meron din siyang nai-input na siguro mga konting contents na hinahanap ng question, ganyan. Ang lit din ang mukha niya sa camera. Di ba, parang sobrang celebrity-like talaga siya. So, hoping na meron siyang future dito sa Miss World talaga.
So yun guys, and thank you so much. At sinamahan nyo yung nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!